Guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to bring you a physical side-by-side, which is something I've started to do. So it's a new thing where I wouldn't be going into the in-depth sound and noise cancellation of the headphones and everything like that and what you get, but rather just a physical comparison and a first impression of both. So this one is not so much of that, but more rather a side-by-side look of the Sony WF-1000XM4s, the Mark 4s, and just the two colors that they are available in right now. Okay, these have been on back order. They cost me an arm and a leg. It's costing me nearly $900. So if you appreciate that, I fund everything in this channel myself. All you have to do is subscribe. It's for free, doesn't cost you anything. All right, let's get this underway. So this is the silver, well, so-called silver. Okay, and this is the matte black you get. Okay, so both have a embossed Sony emblem on them. Okay, but the Sony on the silver, to my eye, looks, I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but it looks a bit more gold rather than the rose gold that it looks like on the black. Okay, other than that, they're identical. Okay, there's absolutely no differences at all between them. Now, another little thing that I'd like to show you guys. So they both come in identical boxes. So this is the box that they come in. Okay, so not much to report here. However, look at how similar does this look to a recycled paper box. Okay, that's really cool. I'm just intrigued, and yeah, it just was intriguing for me to see that. It gives it a very organic feeling, a very organic look, whereas this is more an electronic device. This just looks something like, I don't know, just a box or something, you know? Very cool. All right, let's get these out. Now, I've just gotten these white ones, okay, the silver ones, okay? So let's see what they look like. Obviously, the black would make you appreciate the new logo and the name Sony on there a bit better. So you guys can be the judge of that yourself. Okay, so the black it complements it a lot better, I feel like it, whereas here it doesn't really stand out. You can still see it, it does stand out, not as much as on the black, especially when it's side by side. When it's just like that, it looks pretty good, you know what I mean? Can't go wrong with that. And I'm just intrigued by how it looks like just recycled paper. Look at that, how good is that? That's design, that's just I like it so far. Can't wait to play around with these for 2-3 weeks and get you guys a proper review. Give me a like, give me a comment, let me know what you guys would like me to review about them, and look at my other videos to give you an idea what sort of topics I cover and if I missed something and you guys would like to see that. So that's basically it. So that's the sensor. It's got a couple of things here. Alright, that's basically it, guys. What do you guys think? Did I miss something? Let me know in the comments if I've missed something that you guys would have liked to see compared between these two. Alright, thanks for watching to the end. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.